Are you serious? Are you serious? Extreme, apocalyptic, almost cataclysmic snow blizzards keep falling on Boston, Massachusetts, but not just Boston, the entire state of Massachusetts, as well as New Hampshire, the whole Northeast, Maine, New York. What? What? This is unbelievable. Forecasters, I want to thank Mike Dale for this report. Forecasters have boosted their predictions for the total amount of snow expected for today, this morning. The National Weather Service now predicts 24 to 36 inches of new snow. Are you serious? Accumulation in areas eastern Massachusetts during the extended storm that's expected to end sometime early Tuesday morning. Now, the map generated by the National Weather Service that you're looking at shows parts of the state could get 36 inches. Up there, you can see right there toward the top. In fact, I'll just lower that down. That's northern Mass, and then real close to Maine. But really, right there, northern Mass. But the bottom line is this, folks. This is insane what's happened to the East Coast, in Massachusetts especially. It's insane. These newest snowfall numbers come when we've had a record snowfall in the Boston area of more than 71.8 inches has fallen in the past 30 days. Most of those in the last 14 days. Now, the record that Boston ever received was 58.5 inches in 1978 in a 30-day period. It's now at 71.8, and you maybe are going to have another 2 feet, maybe 3 feet in some places. So this is insane. It's insane. The National Weather Service says Boston has actually received 76.5 inches already. It's still snowing. It is so bad. There's not enough. They don't know what to do with the snow. They're literally bringing in furnaces to melt the snow. They're dumping snow out. They're taking snow to the ocean, dumping it on the edges of the beast. The beast. Yeah, this is definitely a snow blizzard. It's like a beast in the east. They take it down to the beach. They're doing everything they can. Are you serious? It's just absolutely apocalyptic. Now, Damon Moye and some of these other wonderful people that we've had in our chat room yesterday are just saying, are you serious? They're just buried in this snow blizzard. Michelle up there in New Hampshire, and of course all over the Northeast. Just incredible what they have been through. And it's not over yet. We'll pray for each and every person. We don't want any casualties from this. We don't want anybody hurt. There's been a few car pileups in New York. There's been some problems, but we got to pray about people's roofs caving in. That's another big one. Just a lot going on up there, guys. I just want you to know we're praying for you. We truly are pleading the blood of Jesus over you. You are in an unbelievable, unprecedented, historical situation taking place. You're having snow of biblical proportion. Something biblical is going on with the signs of the second coming of Christ.